guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Boys.
Today we will be making some Dalgona coffee, which is whipped coffee.
What we're gonna need is just 4 ingredients: milk, sugar, instant coffee, and hot water.
First, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Two tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. We're gonna use the hand mixer.
But if you don't have that, you can use a whisker.
Now start mixing.
Once you get to a lighter caramel color, you are done. Today we'll be serving it on warm milk, but you can also serve it on cold milk.
Now we're gonna put this on the hot milk. Now we're done. If you want, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder or some cinnamon. I'm gonna put cocoa powder.
I'm gonna put some cinnamon.
Now let's eat.